How are you, my dear students? Okay, I hope you are well by the grace of Almighty. I am also well by His grace. Dear students, you are staying at home for COVID-19 pandemic situation. Now, my dear learners, before my going to take class, I would like to introduce myself. This is MAHMUD, Assistant Teacher English, Rabita Model High School, Rangamati. Now, my dear learners, let's go. Our today's class will be about tech question. You know, this is one of the most important topics, especially for class 9 and 10. Now, my dear learners, do you know what is tech question? Tech question is basically added at the end of any sentence. Generally, at the end of our speeches, we want another's comment, opinion, and so on. After the end of the sentence, which parts is added for comments or opinion, that is called the question. Okay? Such as Rohim is a good boy. Okay? This is a sentence. And after this sentence, we want any other comments or opinion about Rohim. Okay? And this comment isn't he. This part is added at the end of the sentence, and that is the question. Okay? Now, dear students, how we have to perform the sentences according to the question rule 1. Dear learners, if the tag question is also performed on the basis of sentence, assertive, interrogative, imperative, and so on. Okay. Now, today's class we shall discuss about especially assertive sentence and some rules of assertive sentence. Rule 1: if the assertive sentence, okay, the assertive sentence is only principal verb. Okay, principal verb and present verb. Okay, if the assertive sentence is principal verb, only principal verb is only principal verb and present verb. Okay, then we have to follow the rules. You have to write first the given sentence. You have to write first the given sentence. Then comma, then we have to write do or does and negative, okay, not. And lastly, we have to write the pronoun form. Pronoun form of subject. And also lastly, note of interrogation. Okay. At first we have to write the given sentence and then comma, do or does, and then not. If the subject is third person singular number, third person singular number, then we shall use does. Okay. And if the subject is other subject, and for other subject we shall use do. Okay. And both case not. Now my dear learners, see an example. Rahim plays very well. Okay. Rahim plays very well. My dear learners, at first we have to write the sentence and then we have to place, if the verb bears yes or yes, then we shall write does. If the sentence is affirmative, we shall use not. Okay. Doesn't. And then pronoun form of the subject, Rahim, subject form, pronoun form of Rahim is he. You know, if the sentence is, subject is personal subject, singular person subject, then we shall use Rahim, Karim, or any personal subject, then we shall use pronoun form he. Okay. But instead of female, Rahima, Nasima, okay, Nasima, we shall use pronoun form she. But if the sentence is material subject such as iron, cow, we shall use pronoun for it. Okay. But in both cases, if the sentence is personal or any kind of thing, for plural form, we shall use pronoun form they. Okay. Now, my dear learners, so let's see another example. The boys play ball. Okay, the boys play ball. In this sentence, verb is play. Okay, but play bears no or not. Okay, the play verb does not bear yes or yes. Then we shall write do. Okay, do, and then for negative not, and then the pronoun form of subject. For plural, we have to write pronoun form they, but the subject is singular. In personal cases, we shall write he. Okay. Another example. The cow is very useful animal. Okay, animal. Dear learners, cow is very useful animal. Extremely sorry. Cow. Sorry. The cow plays a very important role in our life. Okay, plays verb present form. Okay, then the play verb bears s of yes. Then we shall write does. Doesn't for not we have to write not, and instead of the cow we have to write the pronoun form of cow it. But if the subject is plural form, then we have to write they. Okay, dear learners, now we shall discuss about second rule. If the sentence is if the assertive sentence is past indefinite tense. Okay, if the assertive sentence is past indefinite tense. If the assertive sentence is past indefinite tense, then we have to write first the given sentence. The given sentence. Okay, then comma, and then did. Okay, did plus not, then pronoun form of subject, and lastly note of interrogation. If the sentence is past indefinite tense, on the principal verb, with on the principal verb. If the assertive sentence is past indefinite, okay, past indefinite tense on the principal verb, then we shall write the given sentence, then comma, and didn't, pronoun form of subject, and lastly note of interrogation. See an example. The old man killed the bird. Okay, dear learners, the verb is past form. Okay, in this sentence the verb is past form, principal verb past form. Then we have to write the at first we in our exercise in examination hall, in our exercise book, we have to write the given sentence, then comma, and then didn't. Okay, and then we have to write the pronoun form of subject, old man, third person singular form. We have to write pronoun form he. Okay, the boys went to market yesterday. Okay, the boys went to market yesterday. Then went, this is also past form of go. Okay, it is the past form of verb go. Then and it is principal verb. Then we have to write the given sentences, then comma, and then didn't. Okay, and then pronoun form of the subject. As the subject is plural form, we have to write they. Okay, my dear learners. Now we shall discuss another rule Rule number 3. If the assertive sentence is with auxiliary verb. If the assertive sentence is with auxiliary verb. Okay. If the sentence is auxiliary verb, it may be any other type of auxiliary verb, am, is, are, was, were, have, has, had, shall, will, moral, or any type of verb, auxiliary verb. Then we have to write first the given sentence, then comma, then the auxiliary verb, okay, verb plus not, okay, and then the pronoun form of subject, okay, pronoun form of subject, and lastly we have to write lot of interrogation. Okay, if the assertive sentence is with auxiliary verb, such as, for example, the girl is singing a song. Okay, the boys were playing. Okay, I had bought a new book. Okay, dear learners, notice the sentence bears auxiliary verb is a second sentence bears auxiliary verb were, and the third sentence bears auxiliary verb had. Then first we have to write the given sentence, and then the auxiliary verb that is mentioned in the sentence. That auxiliary verb we have to write is. Such as there is affirmative sentence, we have to write not, and then pronoun form of subject, the girl, as the subject is female. Okay, then we have to write she. Okay, the boys were playing. We have found auxiliary verb were, and then we have to write not, and pronoun form of subject. For plural we have to write they. I had. Okay, we have found auxiliary verb had, then we have to write not, and then I is also pronoun form. You know, I, he, she, it, they, this, there are already pronoun form. Okay, then we have to write pronoun form I. Okay, dear learners, now I am going to discuss another rule of assertive sentence. If the assertive sentence is with negative form. Okay, negative form. If the assertive sentence is with negative form, that means if the assertive sentence is included with no or not, then we have to write the given sentence. Okay, the given sentence, then comma, then auxiliary verb, okay, and not will be omitted. No or not will be omitted. Okay, if the sentence is negative form, then from the answer part we have to omit the negative form of no or not. Okay, then we have to write pronoun form of subject, pronoun form of subject, and lastly we have to put note of interrogation. Okay, my dear learners, we discuss an example such as he has not done his homework. Sorry, he has not done his homework. Okay, you notice the sentence is negative form. Okay, because it bears no or not, then we have to omit the negative form no or not, and first we have to write the sentence, then auxiliary verb has, the not will be omitted from the answer part, and then we have to write the pronoun form of subject. Okay, the boys will not play. Okay, then you also find that the sentence bears negative form no or not, and then we have to omit the negative form and write auxiliary verb will. Okay, my dear learners, and the pronoun form of the subject they, because the subject is plural, then we have to write pronoun form plural they. Okay, my dear learners, in this case, if any one subject, you should not tell a lie. Okay, this is also same. No or not will be omitted. Then we have to write should auxiliary verb. And before no or not, you have find out. You will find out the auxiliary verb before no or not. No or not. This is auxiliary verb. Okay. Should, we have to write auxiliary verb should, then pronoun form you. Okay, my dear learners, I hope you have understood about the tag question, one of the most important part of your classes. Then I shall discuss another rules on my next classes, and I hope you will stay safely your home and practice the classes. Okay, thank you very much.